Here we are, the Doug and Nikki channel, with a whole new kind of adventure. The whole world has changed, as we obviously know. We have the coronavirus thing going on. We love to travel the world, but that really involves getting in airplanes, which right now aren't terribly safe health-wise. So we had to switch up the channel a little bit, because we want to keep bringing amazing adventures to you. And so we have a new way to do that for you. How are we going to do it, love?
We have bought an RV and we're going to pick it up right now. We are driving to Virginia. It is called a travel trailer, so it actually attaches to our Tahoe. It is 33 feet long, and we're going to go explore the East Coast because we love traveling. We want to share that with you. We want to show you places you can visit, and it's certainly going to be a lot easier. We don't have to deal with hotels right now. We don't have to deal with rest stops.
Wait, I need to interrupt you here because they might be thinking that we're going boondocking and we're going to live off the land and no electricity, and that's not what we're doing. No, we've been glamping in Maine, right? We've been glamping in Jordan.
Yep.
And
in India.
In India. Oh yeah, we went glamping in India. You just haven't seen that yet.
Yep.
And so now we're just going to transport our glampy new cool house with electricity and air conditioning and cool lighting, and we're going to have fun that way, cruising around and sharing it with you. The new vehicle is called the Enterprise. Yes. Okay, she's not a big Star Trekkie. I am a Trekkie, and I love aircraft carriers. I love space shuttle. So yeah, so we're going to pick up the Enterprise right now. Now tell them why we're getting a travel trailer.
So we decided to go with the travel trailer, which I will discuss with you in a minute, over an RV Class C. So you can, compare different vehicles and sizes. RVs come in different sizes and classifications, as do travel trailers. So we're just talking about the size that we have compared to a Class C RV. So we decided to go with the travel trailer that we got, which is about a 33-foot travel trailer. And we decided to go with it because it is self-contained. You basically walk into it and it's your own little mini house, which is kind of cool. You don't see, the bucket seats that you would be driving in, and you don't have to close it off at nighttime. So that was really nice. We also found a travel trailer that's called a super light. So the towing capacity of it is, for a 33-foot, is exceptionally low for what you're getting. Also, the amenities that we have inside the travel trailer, we have like a fireplace, a little mini fireplace. We have doors that close off the bedroom. We have a full fridge. And
we have recliners for watching the game.
We have recliners. We have like a TV. It's decked out, so it is super nice. And not that you can't find that in the Class C RVs, because you certainly can find that as well. But you can tell them what the difference is in terms of driving and towing.
Well, okay. So I think the big difference for me is the Class C's are basically built on giant Ford van frames. So no matter how hard they try to make it nice and drive nice and ride nice, it is an enormous, heavy van that you're driving, which just isn't that nice of an experience. So I thought I would much rather be driving around in my cool, comfy Chevy Tahoe with the house back there than driving a van around all over the country. Now, I happen to have raced cars professionally in a prior life, so I have a bazillion miles under me driving ginormous heavy trailers all over the country. So for
fixing them, doing everything involved with them that you can possibly do. So you are going to learn a lot on this channel about trailers.
If there's
stick
trailer
with
stuff,
us, because he's going to teach you a lot about trailers.
We know how to keep the trailers running safely and comfortably and reliably and having a nice drive. But so for me, I'm completely comfortable driving a giant trailer down the road behind my super comfy Tahoe. And we're so excited to do that and share that with you. And yeah, so cool.
So stick with us. We've got a lot of things to share with you on our channel about RVing. We're going to start you out from the beginning, from when we pick it up, and we're going to teach you all the little things that we learn along the way and everything that you need to know.
This is so exciting! Holy moly!
Okay, I'm here. I've not gone goth on you. Just dressed in all black because I got yard work to do outside. But right now, we've just gotten back. It took us it was like a 24-hour trip to go down, get the new travel trailer, get back, and right now Nikki has passed out inside. We're not ready to pass out yet, but I'm not supposed to be in here, so I could be getting in trouble. Nikki is a little immunocompromised, so she wanted to really make sure that this was all clean after, you know, people checking it out and stuff at the dealership and having a lot of people go through it. So she asked me not to come in here, but while she's napping, I'm going to take it upon myself to really clean this real nice. So that's what I'm going to do. That's why I'm in here. I'm going to clean it up. We'll see how the surprise goes. I could either have a happy wife or I could have an angry wife. We'll find out. Alright, honey, tell them about the rig.
We got the brand new 2020 Crossroads Sunset Trail 291 RK, which stands for rear kitchen. It is 33 feet in length, and it is designed with couples in mind who want to have more space in their kitchen and living room area.
All right, let me show the outside, you can show the inside. So right here, to start off, it's got a big pass-through for a giant amount of storage because we got giant packing to do.
And it's lit.
And it's lit. It's got a cool, fully powered awning. Outdoor speakers with blue lights in them, which is just awesome. And this is where the party is, where it starts and ends. We have a built-in barbecue and a built-in refrigerator, which is going to have Doug on it because it's going to be filled with beer. Okay, here we go on this side. We have all of your hookups here, your water fill, your city connection, and also this one has a black tank flush, which is nice. You can hook the water up to it, flush it out, and you don't have a stinky black tank in your RV. This version has one slide. It's a big, nice slide here. I would say it has a cool pool table in it, but Nikki will tell me I'm not being correct if I say that. And then around here on the back, this version has a walk-on roof. So when we go to IndyCar races, we could go up there and watch the IndyCar race. And it also has an external shower, so when we go to the beach and you come back and you're all sandy and you don't want to fight with your wife over sand dragged through and in the shower, you just rinse off there and go in peace. That's the exterior of our cool RV.
Inside, let's give you a quick tour. We have a queen-size sofa.
Which is nice in case somebody drinks too much and can't make it home to their camper.
We have a table with 4 chairs.
Or a cart table.
We have a beautiful kitchen.
Gourmet kitchen for my wife to cook delicious food for me. And a giant refrigerator to house lots of adult beverages.
Woo-hoo! And we have 2 recliners.
Oh, and these recliners would be for what, my love?
To watch TV or sit in front of the fireplace.
Which means we're not boondocking.
What do we have to the door to your left?
We have a bathroom, which is a very nice size, a reasonable sized kitchen, toilet, and
you fit inside.
I am 6'2", so this is a lot of room, and it even has, like, when you go to the hotel, it has the boat out bar, so there's plenty of room in here. I'm very excited about this as our roughing it bathroom.
And a fan, which
And a fan.
they don't always have, but I like the little skylight because even if it didn't have a high roof, you know,
Keeps
it
my
gives
head
you...
from
Yeah.
crashing. Okay.
And the door in front of you is...
This is where the magic happens.
More woo-woo! This is incredible because it is... What size is it?
It's a king size bed.
That is so awesome. Look at you. You look like Minnie on the bed.
Listen, for all of our fans who've been watching us travel all over the world and who have maybe not considered an RV or a travel trailer like this, as these things go, this is close to impossible to find. They always have a queen size bed, which isn't just a queen in width, it's shorter too. They have these teeny little beds which don't work for me at my human size. So we are very excited to have a king size bed where the magic's gonna happen.
Totally. And what am I excited for? On each side, you have these units here that have bars to hang things. And watch this. Do, 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 do. Oh my God. It's a full closet. Oh yeah. Right there, baby. It's gonna be filled. It's already pre-wired. You just need to drill some holes.
Put up a nice big widescreen TV.
Oh yeah.
That's what you need. Bedroom.
Okay, well, that is our quick review of our trailer. We will have a full review coming for you as well. But for now, we are signing out and we will see you on the road.